Hello guys, so happy Sunday sa inyo. And ito na, so yung different types of lookup functions ni Excel. So hindi nyo pa alam kung paano siya gamitin ito. May nakuha ko siya, actually nakuha ko to sa Facebook. Then siguro elaborate kasi puro pictures lang. Pero let's try to explain. And ayan, so VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP. So yan yung mga lookup values or functions ni Excel. So ayan yung definition. So VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It searches for the value in the first column of a specified range and returns a value from the same row in a different column. So note, the lookup value must be located in the leftmost column of the specified table or range. So ito yung formula niya. So VLOOKUP, and then hanapin yung lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. So example na yan, VLOOKUP, then yung lookup value niya, hanapin yung apple. And then sa range niya, or yung table array, ayan, so halimbawa is yung cell range A2 to B4, and then yung column index kung ilan. So 2, or then yung susunod kung true or false. And then yan naman ang HLOOKUP or horizontal lookup. It searches for a value in the first row of a specified range and returns a value from the same column in a different row. So note that the lookup value must be located in the first row of the specified table or range. So dyan naman yung formula niya, H yung lookup. So lookup value, table array, row index number. So kung kanina is yung column index niya is row index ang hinahanap sa horizontal value. So yan, H lookup. So ang hanapin is yung orange sa dun sa lahat ng table range or range na ginawa nyo. So yan, halimbawa is yung cell range A2 to D3, and then yung column row index number. So and then sunod is true or false. And then next naman, or lastly is it's XLOOKUP. So the XLOOKUP is a more versatile function that can handle both vertical and horizontal searches along with other advanced features. So the lookup value does not have to be located in the first row or left column of the specified table or range. So ito yung formula niya, XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup array, return array, if not found, match model, show search model. So medyo complex yung kanyang formula. So halimbawa hanapin nyo si Apple from cell range A2 to A4, then B2 to B4. Then nalagay nyo yung not found na tawag doon yung kanyang return array, and then yung value niya, and then advantages of XLOOKUP over VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. So first is yung two-way lookup. So unlike VLOOKUP, then HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP allows you to search both vertical and horizontal, making it more versatile and suitable for various data layouts. The lookup values do not have to be located in the left column or top row. And then susunod naman is reverse search. With the XLOOKUP, you can perform a reverse search, meaning you can look up the value based on the result rather than searching for a specific value. Then third, exact match not required. So si XLOOKUP ay nag-offer ng optional approximate matching, returning the next larger value. This can be very useful when working with numerical data ranges that don't have exact matches. And then sa error handling naman, ito na yung last, which is XLOOKUP does improve error handling, enabling better control over error messages and alternative value returns. It allows you to customize text when a valid match is not found, while VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP only shows you an error. So let's try these three formula. So by next video recording, so abangan nyo kung paano siya nag-work. So itong module na ito is more on text-based and module-based. So yung actual presentation ito is I'll try to add or record sa ating Excel. So yun lang guys, and thanks for watching.